Alright? Alright?
Khó thế.
Slow down, flyboy. Alrighty. What's happening, my lovely students? It's me, Tung Fan, teacher of the senior course at the IELTS Workshop. And today, in this edition of 5 Words About, let's take a look at the topic of the beautiful game. Although it didn't come home, unfortunately. So tell me, if you have a chance to showcase your knowledge about this wonderful spectator sport, how many times are you likely to repeat the word football? Quite a lot, I suppose. Which means you're not paraphrasing effectively. So what can we substitute football with? Actually, I used one synonym just now. Did you notice? Pause the video, rewind, and spot it yourself. Did you find it? And so the phrase is the beautiful game. If we talk about the sports scene in the UK, football is definitely the crème de la crème, which means it's the best. Among all the players in the England squad this year, I was most impressed with Mr. Sterling, aka Sterling. Yes, he's a total nightmare for defenders, and he's a proper fox in the box. And that's the second phrase for today. So a fox in the box is a forward who scores a lot of goals from close position to the goal. Now, in the 18-yard box, not only do strikers need to be fast, they need to be cunning as well, just like a fox, hence the phrase. Now, speaking of Sterling, I love the guy, but to be fair, he's been branded a diver quite a few times now. So in football terms, to dive means to deliberately throw yourself to the ground in a tackle, yes, to get a free kick or even a penalty kick. It's not pretty, it's not nice, but it's definitely part of the game. So, how can we stop unstoppable players like Sterling or GI榎G? Well, one thing you might want to try is to put 11 men behind the ball, which means to defend with the whole team. Now, it's not the most sensational strategy, but it works like a charm. So I've been going on and on about football in the UK as well as English footballers. But my all-time favorite football team is the Vietnam national football team. Alright, aka the Golden Star. And that's our 5th word or phrase for today. So you can call our players, Golden Star Warriors. And bravely do they fight. Best of luck to our players in their upcoming matches. Once again, it's Tung Fan from the IELTS Workshop. If you're a big fan of the beautiful game, do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. See you next time.